Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the C54 body from WPL, having a look what's in the kit and seeing what you get for your money. Hi guys, if you're new to the channel, or even if you've watched some of my videos and you haven't, please subscribe. It goes a long way to help the channel and pushes me forward to do more videos. So if you could like, share and subscribe, it'd be awesome. Right, today we're going to take a look at this. It came from WPL, came in a really well packaged box. It's really good cardboard, that's what I like about WPL. Got a little thank you note in there from them for supporting them this year. And with the new body comes a new set of wheels and tyres. Right guys, as you can see, we've got the new tyre that they've released to go along with the C54, and they're a different tread, very nice soft compound again, as they do with all of their tyres if you buy the kit form. Slightly different pattern on the rims, but other than that, not a lot of difference there. And obviously we've got some foams to go inside the tyres to make it a bit firmer if you found it too soft. Pop them in, and depending on how much load you're carrying. But yeah, very nice tyres, not bad at all. This is the main part in there, so let's get rid of that. Let's get a knife. So I haven't seen this either, I've just opened it, so I'm not quite sure what's in there. Hopefully it should be the model with all the additional extra accessories. Yeah, looks like I've got the C54 with the extra accessories. They do a model, it's model number CB05-1 you get the accessories with, and then CB05 is without the additional accessories that you get. And at the moment I think it only comes in white, but eventually it says on the box that we have brown, grey and green too, so hopefully that's what we'll be seeing in the not too distant future. So let's open this up. So right, out the starting gate we've got a roof rack with the ladder on the back, and we have a small frame there with some spot lamps on, which will clip into the roof of the vehicle. And you've got the other side of the spot lamps there, so you know, nice little accessory. So next we have this bumper pack, and we've got quite a nice bumper there with spotlights built in. We've got a grille to go in the back. It's quite a nice detailed grille, not too bad. Right, then we've got these two, which on the instructions it says it's a competitive lever, so make of that what you will. And then in this small bag we've just got some light lenses, lenses for these spotlights, and some side repeater lenses. So on to the next one. And next we've got two bumpers for the actual body, and you use the other bumper I think if you don't want these on there. We've got a different grille, so you know, you pick whichever you want. We've got some side steps, and we've got a dashboard, so it looks pretty good. I hope you can see that. Try and get the light to shine on it. I mean, all this plastic, it's pretty robust, it's pretty stiff. That's what she said, and I think this is going to be fairly resistant to impact. It's not going to just break at the first collision. So yeah, there you go. So we've got the actual body shell there. So there we go, that's the body, the windows there, and the interior. Here we go. Right, so we've got the small plate that goes above the steering servo and your receiver and stuff, and you've got this nice little area which on this one would go under there, so the battery can go in the front. We've got another rim which will go on the back, but this is really hard rubber compared to the tires that come on the car to actually run on, so that's not one that you can really use. Right, the next bag, as you can see, you get a steering wheel and a cover for something. I'm not quite sure what that is. You've got some roof bars to go onto the body to attach the rack to. You've got a snorkel there to attach to the wing. And you get 4 wiper blades, a snorkel top, and some small pieces. Not I think they may be to do with the door handles. Yeah, they're door handles. So you also get these pieces here to go on the interior. And then in here we've got some lenses, assuming they are rear lights, and lights to go in the bumper, maybe something like that. Then we've got some front lights and looks like some more side repeaters. So it depends on which grille and bumper you use as to which lights, I would assume. We've got 5 springs here which are for the suspension. As this model is going to be a bit heavier than your conventional body, you may need to just add those. And we've got a sticker kit with some license plates, some lights, colours. Yeah, just a little sticker kit there. Obviously you can add more. They do send you this sticker kit with it, so you could add some of these stickers. They are the stickers where you cut around here, you take that out, you peel the clear cover off, and the sticker comes with the clear part. Then you apply this transfer to the car and then peel the clear sticker away, so it makes it quite easy to apply. And we have this little tool which is used to get in between sort of plastic layers to prise them up. I don't know if that's for opening the bonnet or whatever, but I've done it with my fingers, so it's not too bad. That's the only thing I can see that being for. So yeah, all in all, it seems like a pretty decent kit. It's fairly comprehensive. I have a look at the emails that I've received from WPL when I ordered it, and I'll have a look, see what the actual price was I paid, and I'll put that up on the video. Just put it on the video now. So yeah, so thanks for joining me for this, just to having a quick look. So eventually I'll get this painted. I'm going to try and have a trip to the motorist discount either today or tomorrow, and I'll have a look through and see what colour I like. The stickers that's come with it are kind of, they're quite bright for the lights and the number plate, so you could go with quite a dark colour. You're not really going to lose much. So guys, if you like this video and you found it interesting, please give me a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.